Yes, 8th class. We are starting with the plastics today. You must be familiar with many plastic articles used every day. So many plastic articles are used every day. We have to make a list of such items and their uses. We have to write the name of such items we are using every day. So many items you can watch nearby your places. Now, it is also a polymer. It is also said to be a polymer like the synthetic fiber. Means it is just like the synthetic fiber. All plastics do not have same type of arrangement, but all plastics are of not of the same type. Means their units are not arranged one by one. Some it is linear and whereas other is in cross-link. Some are in line and some are cross-link. You can see here in the picture. I can show you picture. You can see here. Here is the picture. In this, plastic beads are arranged in line only. They are arranged in line. This is said to be linear and these are cross-linked. Means it is linked with one another like that. These are said to be cross-linked arrangements. So, plastics are arranged in two methods, in linear and one in cross-linked. Now, have you ever wondered how this is possible? These plastics are available in all possible shapes and sizes. Have you ever thought that how it is possible that they can be formed in different shapes and sizes? The fact that is plastic is very easily moldable. Now, easily moldable means it can be shaped in any form. These plastics can be shaped in any of the form. Plastics, see the characteristics of plastics. Plastics can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled into sheets or made into wires. See plastics, they can be recycled, then reused, then colored easily, then melts easily, then rolled into sheets or made into wires. These are made into wires. So there are variety of uses of plastic, and you can see in the picture the chair, bucket, this bike, then this glass. These all are made of plastic. Now see here what is polythene. Polythene we are using every day at our home. Polythene is an example of plastic. It is an also example of plastic. It is used for making commonly used polythene bags. It is mainly used for making polythene bags. Now try to bend a piece of plastic yourself. Now you have to take piece of plastic and you have to bend. Can it be bent easily? You will observe that some plastic articles can bend easily while some break when forced to bend. You can see some of the plastic they can bend easily and some of they break when we are putting force over it. When we add hot water to a see here, when we add hot water to a plastic bottle, it gets deformed. Means take one water bottle and put some hot water into it. You will say that it will deform. Such plastics which get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastic. Means such plastic, see here, such plastics which get deformed easily and on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastic. These are said to be thermoplastic. Here you have to write the definition of thermoplastics. You have to write the definition of thermoplastic. From here you will write. And examples of thermoplastic are polythene and PVC. Example of polythene, example of thermoplastic are polythene and PVC. Now, what are the uses of it? These are used for manufacturing toys, combs, and various type of containers. Various type of containers they are made from thermoplastic. So you have to write the definition of thermoplastic, then example of thermoplastic, and what are the uses of thermoplastic. Three questions arise here. So you have to write in your notebook. On the other hand, because I want to say, because any of the question can come from your board. So you have to write all the questions which are coming in the chapter. On the other hand, there are some plastics which when molded once cannot be softened by heating. Now, in some of the plastic, what happen if we have which can be molded means which can be bent. Molded ones cannot be softened by heating, but when we heat it, it do not become softer. That are said to be thermosetting plastics. So here you will write definition. Some plastic which when molded ones cannot be softened by heating, these are called thermosetting plastic. You have to write the definition of thermosetting plastic. Now examples of these are bakelite and melamine. These are the example of the thermosetting plastic, that are bakelite and melamine. Now, bakelite is a poor conductor of heat. This bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. So, you can write that bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electric switches. This is used for making electrical switches. Then handles of various utensils. Handles on cooker you can see. Then in fry pan you can see the handles. They do not become hot when they are kept on burner, etc. Now melamine, it is a versatile material, means it resists fire. If we are putting it on fire also, then it do not burn. It can tolerate heat better than other plastic, means it can tolerate the heat other than other plastic. Now nowadays you can see people are using these melamine plastic in microwaves also. It is used for making floor tiles. This melamine, it is used for making floor tiles, then kitchenware and fabrics which resist fire. And kitchenware, in the kitchen, I told you just like that plastic balls and all that. And fabrics which resist, and fabrics means the clothes which we are wearing which resist fire. These are made from melamine. Means bakelite and melamine are the example of thermosetting plastic. And you can write the uses of this. Means here again 3 questions arise and you have to write in the copy. Now figure 3.8, you can see figure 3.8. This is the figure 3.8. It can show you various uses of thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. See here thermosetting plastic. These are the thermosetting plastic you can see here, and these are thermoplastic. These are articles made of thermoplastic. You can see the container and you can see the wire which is covered with plastic, because thermoplastic do not get heat and it do not get melted. That's why it is used. Thermoplastic is used for covering the wires. Now plastic as material of choice means we can use plastic. It is our choice. It is our choice. Nowadays we are using it in so many things. For storing food, you can see here, for storing food, then water also, then milk, pickles, dry fruit, etc. We are using to store these all things in plastic item. Plastic containers seem most convenient. Why we are using? Because these are very convenient. Now why these are convenient? Because these are lightweight, then their price is low, then good strength, it is used for longer time, and easy handling, we can take anywhere. These are the, you can see, these are the convenience for using the plastic. Being lighter as compared to metals, and we all know it is lighter than metals. Plastics are used in cars, so plastics are used in cars, aircrafts and spacecrafts too. So being lighter, plastics are used in cars, aircrafts and spacecrafts also. The list is endless, means there are too many things which are made from plastic. If we start counting articles like slippers also made from plastic, then furniture, decoration pieces, etc. means so many things are there which are uncountable, which are made from plastic. Now plastic is non-reactive, means plastic do not react with the things which are kept in the, see, if we have put pulses in the plastic, then it will not react with that. If we are filling water in water bottle, it will not react with water. So these are not reactive. You know that metals like iron get rusted. We know that iron things, they get rusted when exposed to moisture and air, when they are kept in moisture and air. But plastic do not react with water and air. But this plastic do not react with water and air. They are not corroded easily, and they are not corroded easily means they are not get rusted easily. Corroded we have studied earlier, means they are not rusted easily. That is why they are used to store various kinds of materials, including many chemicals. That's why they are used to store so many things. Now, plastic is light, strong, and durable. We have studied earlier also. It is light, it is strong, and durable means we can use it for longer time. Sometimes we can see the plastic mugs and plastic buckets at our home. Ask your parents that from since how many days they are using. They will tell that we are using since 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, like that they will tell. Means these plastics are very light. These are the advantages we can use that using a plastic container. Since plastic is very light, strong and durable, it can be molded into different shapes and sizes. So it can be bent into different shape and sizes. And it is used for various purposes. It is used for various purposes. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. Plastics are very cheaper. We can easily afford, means these are cheaper than metals. They are widely used in industries. These plastics are used in industries and for household articles also. And you have to make a list of plastic containers at your home and you have to write in your copy. Now, plastics are poor conductors. See, these are poor conductors of heat and electricity. That's why we are using this plastic covering, okay, on copper wire. Then handles of screwdrivers also we are using, screwdrivers we are using on that handle we are using plastic covering. And in frying pans also, handles of frying pans we are using plastic. See, did you know plastics find extensive use in the healthcare industry? Means wherever healthcare industries are there, plastics are used there. Some examples of their use are packaging of tablets. Means you can see the tablets which you are using, they are packed in plastic only. Threads used for stitching wounds. The threads which we are used for stitching wounds, means टाँके लगाने के लिए, that are also made from plastic. Then syringe that are, and then doctor's gloves and number of medical instruments, these are made from plastics only. Special plastic cookware is used in microwave ovens for cooking food. Then earlier we have told that in microwave ovens also some of the cookwares are made to cook food. The heat cooks the food but does not affect the plastic vessel. Means they are kept in microwave, means the heat will cook the food but it will not affect the plastic vessel. Then Teflon. See here, Teflon is a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick. Now Teflon things are used, utensils are used at home for making dosa and all this thing, and it is said to be non-stick. It is said to be non-stick cookware. So water do not stick to it and it is used for non-stick coating on cookwares. And today this is the end of this topic, and we will continue with this topic table 3.3.3 tomorrow. And you have to write that about thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic in your copy, uses and examples also. Tomorrow we will continue with the chapter.